Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll learn how to add an emoji next to time on your iPhone. To do so, go to your iPhone settings and then there you can see an option saying focus. Go inside it and tap on plus button, then tap on costume now. Now you will reach to this panel. You must give a name to focus. Here I name it fun. Now you can also choose a color, but it really doesn't matter, so now choose a emoji by scrolling below. Here I chose leaf and then tap on next. We just want an icon to be there for a style, so here at our phone it is not actually a focus, so we tap on call from and then tap on all contacts, so while turning on the focus everyone could call you. And now tap on done and then allow button. Again allow app for notification. Tap on add application with plus button and select the application you want to receive notification from. Here I have already selected applications. Then tap on allow button. You can see your focus is ready. Tap on done. Now turn it on by tapping on the toggle icon on the right side and you can see the emoji appear on the side of your time. Here I have iPhone 7 Plus, so it is showing the icon on right side, but on latest iPhones you can see the icon just beside time. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. And also please do not forget to like the video if the video helped you, and please do subscribe for similar contents.